Ready to unlock your CRV's full potential? Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or gearing up for an outdoor adventure, the right roof rack crossbars can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the best Honda CRV roof rack crossbars that combine durability, style, and performance. Let's get your ride adventure ready. Coming in at number 5, the Snailfly roof rack crossbars are a solid choice for 2023 to 2025 Honda CRV models, including LX, EX, Sport Hybrid, EXL, and Sport Touring Hybrid trims, designed for easy installation with no drilling or cutting required. These crossbars attach directly to your factory roof rails in just about 15 minutes. Built from black powder-coated aluminum, they not only look sleek but also offer exceptional strength and durability, supporting up to 220 pounds when evenly loaded. Whether you're hauling kayaks, bikes, skis, or cargo boxes, these aerodynamic crossbars help minimize wind noise, delivering a smoother and quieter ride. With their all-metal construction and outstanding value, the Snailfly crossbars give your CRV both functionality and a rugged, ready-for-anything look. At number 4, the WonderDriver roof rack crossbars bring both style and strength to your 2012 to 2016 Honda CRV with factory-side rails, crafted from high-grade aircraft aluminum and finished in a sleek black matte powder coat. These bars resist rust and support up to 150 pounds of gear, from cargo boxes and bikes to kayaks and roof bags. The low-profile, streamlined design not only enhances your CRV's sporty look but also helps cut down on wind noise at highway speeds. Installation is a breeze, with users praising the snug fit and the immediate visual upgrade it brings to their vehicle. If you're after a roof rack that combines rugged performance with eye-catching style at a great price, the WonderDriver crossbars won't disappoint. At number 3, the ALAVENTE roof rack crossbars offer a practical and budget-friendly upgrade for 2012 to 2016 Honda CRV owners with existing roof side rails, built from a combination of durable aircraft aluminum and ABS plastic. These bars feature a sleek black powder-coated finish that's both waterproof and resistant to corrosion. With a load capacity of up to 132 pounds, they're ideal for hauling luggage, cargo boxes, snowboards, bikes, or kayaks on your next outdoor adventure. Installation is quick and tool-free, no drilling or cutting required, and the bars are just as easy to remove when not in use. Not only do they look great, closely resembling OEM crossbars, but they also deliver solid performance at a fraction of the cost, making them a great value for anyone looking to maximize their CRV's utility. At number 2, the AUXMART roof rack crossbars deliver a perfect combination of quality, fit, and value for Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022, designed to mount directly onto your vehicle's factory points with no modifications required. These crossbars come with all the necessary installation hardware and can be set up in just minutes. Made from aluminum alloy with a sleek silver powder-coated finish, they're built to last and support up to 165 pounds of gear, making them ideal for hauling everything from kayaks and skis to bikes and fishing poles. Users love the solid, sturdy feel thanks to multiple mounting points, and many note how great they look while costing significantly less than OEM options. If you're looking for durability, ease of installation, and a stylish upgrade without the dealership price tag, AUXMART is a strong contender. And taking the top spot at number 1, the AUXMART roof rack crossbars are a top-tier option for Honda CRV owners with models from 2002 to 2006, especially those equipped with vertical side bars and factory roof rails. Built from high-strength marine-grade aluminum alloy and finished with a black metal oxidation treatment, these crossbars offer excellent resistance to water and corrosion, along with a sleek, aerodynamic water drop design that reduces wind noise and drag on the road. With a secure heavy-duty clamping system and an arc-shaped structure that enhances stability and prevents bending under load, they can confidently support up to 132 pounds, ideal for hauling everything from cargo and ladders to luggage. Plus, they're engineered to avoid obstructing your sunroof's functionality. Easy to install and reasonably priced, the AUXMART crossbars combine smart design, strength, and practicality, making them the best all-around choice for your older generation CRV.